Hey friends, it's Miss C here. As you guys may know, we've been learning a lot about the weather and the different types of weather, and we've had many discussions about it. So for today's activity, we're going to be doing it all throughout the week, and we're all going to present them on at the end of the week on Friday, okay? So for our activity, we're going to do our weather observation. Now, I want each of you to go out every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday before you log into class and do this, okay? You're gonna go outside and you're gonna tell me, is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it raining? Is it windy? Or is it snowing? Okay, and then you're gonna copy that picture and put it right here on the day we're on. Okay, and then you're also gonna write out the words for me because I really want you guys to practice your writing. Friends, if you do not have a printer at home and cannot print this worksheet, I encourage you to please write it in your science journals or a blank sheet of paper so we can present it to the class. But don't lose it, guys, because we got to present it at the end of the week to everyone, okay? I look forward to seeing everyone's observations on Friday. Bye, guys. Have a great day.